Yo guys, TechnoSmart here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get Face ID on almost all of your Android phones. But before I start, if you are not subscribed to my channel, smash that subscribe button or simply touch it on your phone or click it on the computer to join our tech family. So the phone which I am using for this tutorial is the XE smartphone. I have made an unboxing video, the card is to the top right corner, go ahead and check that out. So first off, go into settings and swipe down and search for security. Once you are in the security, as you can see, we have smart lock option right there. So just go into the smart lock option and you will find some different securities option, but for what we are here is the Face ID. So go into trusted face, as you can see that option, and set up your face. So I'm not going to show my face, so I will quickly set up my face. So boom, yeah, it was very simple to set up our face. Once you have done that, lock your phone, tap the power button and look at the phone in the camera, and as you can see, it unlocked. There is a small icon to the bottom. If you can see there, when you look at the phone, it shows the unlock icon, and just swipe up. That's it, you have got a Face ID on your phone. But for disclaimer, this thing also works with your picture. So if anyone tries to get in your phone with your picture, he or she can do it. So this works really well. It never fails. It is very accurate. So for the guys who love Face ID, here it is on your Android phone. But it not works for all of the Android phones. I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 5, so I have the option of smart lock, but I don't have the option of trusted face. So this option is not available for all of your Android phones. And also your phone should be above Marshmallow or Nougat. I'm not quite sure. I think it should be above Nougat, 7.0 Nougat. Then it's gonna work on your phone. So that about wraps it up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys has been helped by this. If you did, smash that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at TechnoSmart7. The link is in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys. Peace.